In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload script in TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to get your Pine Script code into the editor quickly and cleanly. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date so the menus look the same as what you'll see here. A stable internet connection also helps, especially if you're loading or opening existing scripts from your account. From the bottom navigation, head to Charts. This is your main workspace, and it's where you can access the tools needed to work with scripts. Once the chart is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the three dots icon. Tap that to open the More menu. This menu expands your options beyond what's visible on the main toolbar. In the More menu, find and select Pine Editor. This is the built-in code editor for Pine Script, TradingView's scripting language for custom indicators and strategies. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the menu until it appears. Inside the Pine editor, you have two straightforward ways to bring in your script. If you already have your code copied to your clipboard, simply long press in the editor and paste it. Give the editor a moment to recognize the code. You'll see syntax highlighting, which helps you spot formatting at a glance. If any syntax messages appear, review them before proceeding. Alternatively, use the drop-down next to the script name at the top of the editor. Tap it, choose Open, and select the script you want from your saved items. This is handy if you've previously saved scripts to your TradingView account and just want to load one without copying and pasting. That's it. Open the app, go to Charts, tap the three dots, enter the Pine editor, then either paste your code or open it from the drop-down. Quick tip: verify the script's version tag and watch for minor formatting issues that can happen when copying from Notes apps. You're now set to upload your script in TradingView Mobile.